To use Digital Assistant with Power Key on the Realme C71, let me quickly show you how you can do this. So by default there is the Digital Assistant assigned to the Power Key as you press and hold this Power Key, but if by any chance you didn't assign the Digital Assistant to this Power Key, but you have the Power menu instead, let me quickly show you how you can switch this. So first of all, let's go for the settings, and from here you will have to scroll all the way down and go for the accessibility and convenience. And as you are here, you will be able to find the power button settings. So let's go in there, and here instead of the power menu, select the voice assistant. And additionally you can change from which application this voice assistant should be provided, like the default digital assistant application. So by default it will be the Google app. And yeah, here additionally you can set up the power button sensitivity, and that's pretty much it. So now as you press and hold the power button, there will appear this digital assistant. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how you can do this.